Breathe easy with Greenwood Duct Cleaning, serving Austin, Round Rock, and Kyle. Our team of duct cleaning professionals is dedicated to giving your home the fresh air it deserves. Whether you need air duct cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, or furnace duct cleaning, we've got you covered. Our residential duct cleaning service ensures your vents are spotless, helping you enjoy cleaner air and peace of mind. Ready to transform your indoor environment? Give us a call for more info and let Greenwood Duct Cleaning make your air feel brand new.